This is the CM701. It's slightly more expensive, and this is the CM720, which is a little bit cheaper. They are both green laser levels, and they almost look exactly the same. But the difference is this one has two 360-degree lasers, and this one's got three. Both got little adjustable stands, both got little magnetic brackets, both have charging leads, both got target plates, and they've both got remotes, but one's got an extra button for the extra laser. I'm not sure whether you can actually tell, but this one, the laser is kind of a bluey green, whereas that one's more of a green. So I think they might be slightly different laser diodes. For me, I actually prefer this one, and I can see that a lot better. This one doesn't seem as crisp. In terms of cases, I don't really like the hard case. I'd prefer the soft case, but that's because of these inner bits. This reminds me of, you know, the socket sets where it just goes everywhere. It is secure. I do like a hard case. I'd almost prefer the kind of outer shell of the hard case, but with soft bits inside, if you understand. But yeah, overall I would prefer that one. 360 versus 360, is there really a difference? So the second rule for entering the giveaway, you need to comment down below why you think a 360 laser might be more useful than a 360 laser. I can only think of one thing that I would use this one over that one. Let me know whether you agree with me. That's the 701, that's the 720. I can just see that a little bit better than the other one. Do you not think? Plumb, horizontal, self-leveling, same kind of stuff. So that's exactly the same. I was thinking that if you was tiling the floor, obviously on this one, on the 701, you've got that there, and this one can't achieve that. But you might think that you've only got one line, but you've got the cross there, so all you need to do is lock it, lock the pendulum, turn it back on, turn it down, and there we go. Then you can tile. So it's not a problem, is it? With the 360, the good thing about it, you can use it as a plumb bob. There's a cross there, and then down here, there is also kind of a cross. It's kind of missing. They're compact. These are really, really small. That is also a little bit of a downfall when it comes to using your tripod, because depending on where you've got it, obviously, look, it's missing there. So the lasers hit the edge of the tripod. That is a strong magnet. That's perfect now. You can see up there as well. A slight limitation, you just need to get a bit more creative with it. In terms of accuracy, they're pretty much the same as all other lasers on the market. Distance, pretty much the same. This one's the 360 and that's the 360. I can see that slightly more. So the only reason why I can think of using a 360 over a 360 is for the plumb bob feature, and maybe when you're framing walls. I prefer the 360. For that little bit of extra money, I prefer the case, and I can actually see this laser a little tiny bit better. Pow, 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 pow. Now you can see green lasers better over red. Can you see it outside? That's an important thing that we all want to know as well. That is there. That is, let's say 3 meters away. And on the wall, I can see it. Can you see it? You probably can. There it is. It's just there. Let's move it a little bit further away. That's like, I don't know, 7 meters. Where are we? I can see it. It's there. Can you see it? Can you see that? So it's easier to see with green goggles, apparently, but that's the whole reason why you got this. So, you ready? Can you see it? So it's a green perspex. It's got that reflective layer there. So yeah, if you haven't got the receiver, that's quite good. I mean, it's not super bright outside, it's overcast. If you don't have a receiver for receiving a green laser and you're over there and you've lost your green thing, just get your phone, put it on the camera, and then, can you see that? So then you know it's roughly there, and you can just go, right, work it out. So overall, I think these are pretty bloody decent for the money. I do prefer the 360 over the 2 360, but if you wanted to save a little bit more money and get this one instead, there's nothing wrong with that. The third rule in this giveaway, I'm going to be a little bit cheeky. I need to direct a little bit of traffic to an old video. My full build on this. Here's the thumbnail. Go over there, check it out. I want to see you comment and thumbs up. I will double check whether you've commented on this video and that video for the giveaway. Something I do like about these, all of this dark bit, it's like a rubberized plastic. So I would imagine they are quite sturdy. Obviously, when I done my little thing earlier, my little skit, I did drop it a little bit. Sorry, whoever gets this one, there's a tiny nick there, but it functions fine. It's fine. Now, as well as these two, Cigman have got a few different laser levels. You should check out their Instagram. They've got one that looks like a Coke can. You all know the rules for the giveaway. Now you've got until the 11th of March to actually enter. I will do the draw for the Sunday, which is the 12th. And don't worry, if you miss out on these, then I've got a discount code for you. Check out the description. Until then, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.